Polychrome Jasper. Polychrome jasper, sometimes called desert jasper, is a rare stone commonly associated with passion, fire, and movement. It works with you to ensure your physical vitality is always at its peak. Meditating with this jasper helps channel your intentions into reality by stimulating your creativity and imagination. Polychrome jasper is also highly protective, capable of deflecting negative energies and clearing blocked energy channels. This jasper also specializes in grounding, providing balance and stability. The jasper family of stones comes with a lot of titles: Supreme Nurturer, Stone of Courage, Stone of Wisdom, and no matter what type of you favor or choose, these qualities are present in all of them. Jasper unifies all aspects of your life, reminding people to help each other. It absorbs negative energy, balances yin yang, aligns body, mind, spirit, useful for shamanic travel. These stones also add quick thinking and will re energize you after recovering from illness. Jasper comes in many different colors, but all are useful for grounding subtle energy that will translate into action in the world. These stones are able to support you during times of stress by providing tranquility. Jasper reminds people that we are all here to help one another. It provides protection and grounding energy for your physical body. This stone also promotes determination, helping you to tackle challenges assertively and face your truth with honesty. Jasper is a sedimentary stone known as a chert. They are each unique to the extensive bedded deposits in which they are found. Many of these stones are named after the geographical area from which they were discovered. Polychrome jasper comes from Madagascar and it is close cousin to moonkite.